Hello friends, welcome to my trending topic channel. Friends, in this video discuss about National Sports Day, history, significance and importance of the day in India. National Sports Day is celebrated in India on August 29 every year. The day is celebrated on the birth anniversary of hockey wizard Major Dhyan Chand, as the day will be celebrated in India tomorrow. A lot of people have been wondering about National Sports Day, history and National Sports Day significance. For all the people who are curious about National Sports Day, here is everything you need to know about it. We are going to talk about National Sports Day history. Friends, National Sports Day is celebrated on 21 August every year in India. The date of August 29 is chosen as is the birth date of Indian hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand. The day is also known as Rashtriya Khel Divas. It was first celebrated in year 2012 and since then it is observed every year. National Sports Day is celebrated as an ode to Major Dhyan Chand, whose heroics in hockey won India several medals at the international stage. He is considered as India's greatest hockey player ever. He also led India to three Olympic gold medals in 1928, 1932 and 1936. In his more than 20 years long career, the hockey wizard has scored more than 400 goals for India. Major Dhyan Chand was awarded India's third highest civilian honor of Padma Bhushan in 1956 by the Government of India. The National Sports Day 2020 holds a special place for all the sports lovers. It is also celebrated to honor the spirit of sportsmanship and spreading this message through various sports. Then now we are talking about National Sport Day significance. The major reason for celebrating National Sport Day is to highlight and spread awareness about the importance of sports and staying fit in the daily life. After 2012, when the day was first celebrated in India, the government has used this day to announce several sports-related schemes, which also include the Khelo India movement. It was announced by the Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi in 2018. The President of India also honored several sports personalities with some of India's prestigious sporting awards like Khel Ratna, Arjun Awards, Dronacharya Awards and also the Dhyan Chand Awards. Dhyan Chand Awards recognizes the lifetime of contribution of an athlete in this field. This year, the award ceremony will be held virtually for the first time because of the pandemic situation of India. President of India Ramnath Kovind will be presenting the winners with the award virtually. Friends, we are talking about quotes by legends of Indian sports. Number 1. As far as one-day cricket is concerned, Dhoni is one of the greatest captains of all time, Sourav Ganguly. Quotes by Suresh Raina. I have always maintained that if you work hard, you won't go waste, as recognitions will come to you at some stage. Whether in studies or sports, you need to have good intentions and intent to move ahead in life as well as in sports. Written by Saina Nehwal. My philosophy is to not to be scared of anyone. If I play well, great. If I don't, I learn from the match and move on. Written by Suresh Raina. The future is uncertain and therefore I can't predict it. Written by Navjot Sidhu. There are two types of captain in the world cricket. One is MS Dhoni and the other are all others. Written by Sachin Tendulkar. If you don't execute on your plans, then you don't reach anywhere. Written by Sachin Tendulkar. It is important to understand that if you do fall, it is important for you to get right back up again. Written by Abhinav Bindra. Practice is a talent, perseverance is a talent, hard work is a talent. Written by Vishwanathan Anand. I feel that schools and corporates should be help the government in popularizing sports in the country. Blaming the government for every sporting debacles will not be fair. Written by Rajvardhan Singh Rathore. You can't say what the outcomes of a competition is going to be. So now I am ready to accept any result that comes my way. If I give my best shot. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.